Good students, today I am going to teach you about ascending and descending order in order of rational numbers. Okay, in first case I will teach you about ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. In this case, terms write in lowest to highest term, as here 1/2 is less than 3/2 is less than 5/2. Okay, student? Here 1/2 is the lowest term. Lowest term, and 5/2 is the highest term. Highest term of a rational number, and here 1/2 is the lowest term of a rational number. We see that two denominators, both rational numbers have same denominator. If given rational numbers have same denominator, then there is no need of taking of LCM. And but here, example 2. If given rational numbers have different denominator, at that time we take LCM for same denominator. Okay, students? And here I will give you an example which is thus. Minus 3/5 minus 7/-10 and here 5/8. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Okay, student? Here minus 3/5, 7/-10, minus 5/8. Here 7/-10 is not in standard form. We convert in standard form because denominator should always be positive for a standard rational number. Okay, here we arrange in a standard form, but minus 3/5 is standard form. Minus 5/8 also standard form, but 7/-10 is not standard form because the denominator is in negative form. It should be in positive. Here minus 3/5 minus 7/10 convert in standard form, and here minus 5/8. Okay, students? Here we see that all rational numbers denominator are different. In this case we need to take LCM of all. Here take LCM. 5, 10, 8. Write here 5, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja, and here divide 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and write here 4, 2 2 ja 4, and also cut by 2. Okay, then therefore LCM of all here 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. 2 5 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 20 2 ja 40. During the calculation we get the LCM 40. Write here 40. 5 8 ja 48 time, then write, then multiply in minus 3, 24. 10 4 ja 40, 4 7 ja minus 28. 8 5 ja 40, 5 5 ja 25. Okay, student, here write 24 upon 40 minus 28 upon 40 minus 25 upon 40. Okay, student, here all numerator are in negative form and denominator are same. In this case, smallest number in negative form is greater, and greater number in negative form is smaller. Here minus 28 upon 40 is less than minus 25 upon 40, and minus 25 upon 40 is less than minus 24 upon 40. Okay, student, here greatest number in negative form is smaller, and smallest number in negative form is greater, and greatest number in negative form is smaller. Therefore minus 28 upon 40 is less than minus 25 upon 40, minus 25 upon 40 is less than minus 24 upon 40. We can write here it minus 7 upon 10 is less than minus 5 upon 8 is less than minus 3 upon 5. In ascending order. Okay, student? Ascending order. Okay? And this convert in a descending order. Descending order, it is inverse of ascending order. Now convert it in descending order. Descending order. Descending order means greatest to lowest. Term right, greatest to lowest. Here descending order. DES descending order. Descending order, right term lowest, greatest to lowest. And decreasing order. Decreasing order also say. Okay. Here write term greatest to lowest. Greatest to lowest. Okay. Descending order, in this case number write greatest to lowest form. Here as 5/2 example first, 5/2 is greater than 3/2 is greater than 1/2. It is in descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Okay, student? And here next example, example number 2. This also convert in descending order. Descending order. Here taking LCM of both because denominator are different. We get 5, 10, 8 LCM. Taking LCM of 5, 10, 8 we get 40. 5 8 जा 40, 8 3 जा -24. 10 4 जा 4 7 जा 28 and 8 5 जा 40 and 5 5 जा 25. Okay, student? Here we write 24 upon 40 minus 28 upon 40 minus 25 upon 40. Okay, student? We can write in this form. After this, here minus 24 is greater than minus 25 and minus 25 is greater than minus 28/40 because highest in negative highest number is smallest and lowest number in negative is greatest. Here minus 24 is lowest, then minus 24 upon 40 is greater than minus 25 upon 40. Okay. Is greater than minus 28 upon 40. Okay. Is a descending order. Descending order. And we write here in minus 3 upon 5 is greater than minus 3 upon 5 is greater than minus 5 upon 8 is greater than minus 7 upon 10. Okay, in descending order. Descending order. Okay, student? Minus 35/5 is greater minus 5/8 minus 7/10. Greatest to lowest rational number. Okay? These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Which number is greater and which number is smaller. If denominator are same, there is no need to take off LCM, but denominator are different, then we need to take a LCM for same denominator. Okay, then these types of questions you can solve on this basis. After this, I give you some example on this basis. I give you some example on this basis. Arrange the given number in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. As 4 upon minus 9, 4 upon minus 9, minus 5 upon minus 5 upon 12. Okay, students, and here 7 upon minus 18, and second is, give examples, minus 3 by 4, 5 by minus 12, 18. Okay, and B, write in descending order as minus 3 upon 10, 7 upon minus 15. Okay, students, and 20. Okay, students, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. And second is thus. Okay, minus 2, 8 upon minus 3. Okay, students, and 1 by 3. All questions solve and send for checking. Okay, student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.